This is in regard to that social media post that was put out by Kirti Sharma, who has put out, a comment regarding the Chief Minister of the state. So, of course, many questions being raised as to that comment that has, surfaced on her Instagram account, where she's accused of encouraging others to assassinate the Chief Minister in a manner reminiscent of the assassination of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The post, which read, "Shoot Mamata Banerjee like Indira Gandhi," is what she put out in that social media post. And now she has been arrested. She's a second-year BCom student who has been arrested by the Kolkata police for that provocative social media post. We have Tausif Ahmed Khan, a political analyst, joining us, as well as we have Raja Lakshmi Joshi joining us on the broadcast. Thank you so much for speaking with us here on NDTV. A second-year BCom student who has now been arrested by the police because of the provocative statements that are being made against the Chief Minister. What would you say is the authority on the ground doing in order to ascertain some sort of calm and a sense of safety when it comes to the people who are now retorting to social media, taking out their outbursts and their, their sentiments out on social media?
Anyone who wants to vent out, anyone who is angry, they must conduct themselves in a way which is allowed by the, the law of the land. What has Mamata Banerjee done that she should be executed, that she should be assassinated, or Mamata Banerjee should be shot?
Lakshmi, that post has been put out on social media by a second-year-old BCom student who has now been arrested for, these very provocative statements that she's put out on social media. How would you react to that?
I totally agree that this is an absolutely extreme statement, and it is a very objectionable statement, of course. Calling for someone's assassination is definitely not pardonable. That there is no question about it. But at the same time, I think it is a message to the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, about the kind of outrage among the people, and that she definitely needs to pull herself up and instill a little more confidence among everybody. And the thing is that this is like this has caused outrage not just among people in West Bengal but across the country, because the doctors, the resident doctors, if they're not ensured of the safety, how are they going to function? And it is about the safety of all women also. And the fact that the person involved, he was a civic volunteer, that actually speaks volumes about the kind of background check, about what is the kind of law and order in the state of West Bengal right now. And, it doesn't help that Miss Mamata Banerjee, she went out on a protest against her own government. So it is ridiculous, I would say. See, she has been taking extreme action, not against anybody else, but against the people who are protesting for justice for the victim. She has put out orders transferring 43 protesting doctors against people who are posting things on social media. Today, this is not the first case. There was another student who was also arrested from another place in West Bengal, only because he put up some derogatory words against Mamata Banerjee. See, this thing about putting up derogatory words and being arrested is nothing new in the state of West Bengal. So, but at the same time, yes, this only speaks volumes about how much outrage there is. This is a very serious matter. And I think that the fact that there was this vandalism where the entire crime scene was completely destroyed, that I think, that is a complete failure of the law and order. So that all these kind of things, they actually go completely against the kind of confidence, and that is why people have lost confidence in the government. And that is how there is this student, she's not a political activist, or she's not a part of a political party. So this only speaks about how outraged she is. So people are really concerned about women's safety. So you can see that some of the ministers are coming out and saying that women doctors should be avoiding taking up night duties. So that is not a solution. It only says that the government is incapable of providing safety to the women. So that is not how you should be conducting yourself. And she, being a woman herself, actually, and apart from that, there are 11 MPs, women MPs in the TMC. So all of them together, if they are not able to instill confidence among the citizens, I think it's a sorry state of affairs. So this is
Tasif,
as
why don't you
objectionable
react
as
to these comments that are being made in regard to, a lot of people questioning that the law and order situation as far as the state of West Bengal is concerned. What is really being done in order to bring about calm in these chaotic times?
See, this was not really a chaotic time. It has been made a chaotic time by the BJP and left. Mamata Banerjee already said who are the people responsible for the hooliganism and the attack on the doctors and inside the hospital. This is turning into anti-Mamata protest, anti-Mamata brigade out on the street, mixing up with the doctors, mixing up with the peaceful protesters, and creating an anti-Mamata environment to achieve their political goals.
Right.
This protest is delegitimized.
Right from the start, there has been a way of misleading the people. It started from saying that the parents were told it's a suicide. Now there is a suspicion that it was a gang rape. And yet there is this strong demand from the Mamata Banerjee government that the single rapist who has been apprehended, he should be hanged immediately. So that will actually put an end to all investigations. That will completely cover up the entire case.
That is something that
people are objecting.
What is CBI doing? That is also the demand.
The case is being
the demand is also
the
demand is also that's what is CBI doing. The CBI has had this case for so many days.
Former principal of the college for the 4th consecutive day. We will keep tracking that story, and of course, it is the TMC where they're, in fact, conflicted when it comes to the role of the top cop, whether he should be questioned while he is in the custody or not. And of course, also in regard to, of course, we heard the BJP, pointing fingers at the government, asking for the resignation of the chief minister. The CBI, they're investigating the matter. And it is the family also who has gone on to point fingers at the government, saying now that the CBI is taking charge, at least they are making an effort. Tasif Ahmed Khan, thank you for joining us. And Raja Lakshmi Joshi, thank you for speaking with us.